Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of playing with numbers. This is first question of its exercise 3.3. So the question says that using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So first हमें given है divisible by 2. So all even numbers are divisible by 2. So this is even, odd, even, odd. Divisible by 3. So sum of all digits is divisible by 3, then number is divisible by 3. So 9 plus 9, 18 is divisible by 3. So yes. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 8, 20 is not divisible by 3. So it's not. Same. Sum of all digits not divisible by 3. So it's not. Sum of all digits not divisible by 3. So it's not. Sum of all digits it is divisible by 3. So it's divisible by 3. Next, sum of all digits is divisible by 3, so it's divisible by 3. Sum of all digits is divisible by 3, so it's also divisible by 3. 6 plus 3, 9 is also divisible by 3. And sum of all digits is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. Next, divisible by 4. Last two digits is divisible by 4, then complete number is divisible by 4. 90 is not divisible by 4, so it's not. 86 is divisible by not divisible by 4, so it's not. 75 not. 86 also not. 10 not. 14 is divisible by 4 is not. 56 is divisible by 4, so the number is divisible by 4. 60 is divisible by 4, so the number is divisible by 4. And 39 is also not divisible by 4, so it's not. Divisible by 5. So the rule is unit digit is 0 and 5. So yes. 6 not. 5 yes. 6 not. 0 yes. 4 not. 6 not. Unit digit is 0. It's yes divisible by 5. 9 it's not. 6. When the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then complete number is divisible by 6. So दोनों से divisible है ये, so ये हो जाएगा. यहाँ 3 से divisible नहीं है, so नहीं. दोनों से नहीं है, then not. 3 से divisible नहीं है, so not. Complete divisible है 2 and 3 से, so these numbers are divisible by 3, 6. And this number is not divisible by 2, so also not divisible by 6. Then divisibility by 8. So the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, the number is divisible by 8. So 990 is not divisible by 8. 586 is not divisible by 8. 275 is not divisible by 8. 686 is not divisible by 8. 210 is not divisible by 8. 714 is not divisible by 8. 856 is divisible by 8. 60 is not divisible by 8. And 839 is not divisible by 8. Divisible by 9. So the rule is sum of all digits is divisible by 9. So 9 plus 9, 18 is divisible by 9. So the number is divisible by 9. Then next, sum of all digits is not divisible by 9. Sum of all digits is not divisible by 9. Sum of all digits is not divisible by 9. Sum of all digits is not divisible by 9. Sum of all digits is divisible by 9. So ये number हो जाएगा 9 से divisible हो जाएगा. Sum of all digits is not divisible by 9. Sum of all digits is divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 9. Sum of all digits is not divisible by 9. So when unit digit is 0, then number is divisible by 10. So unit digit is 0. So yes, no, no. Unit digit 6, zeros, then yes. 4 not. 6 not. 0 then yes. 9 then not. Divisible by 11. So the rule is when sum of odd digits and even placed digit is 0 or divisible by 11, then number is divisible by 11. So 9 plus 0 9 and odd places को even places का हो जाएगा 9. So 9 minus 9 0, so it is divisible by 11. Then 1 plus 8 9, 5 plus 6 11. 11 minus 9 2, so it's not. Then 2 plus 5 7 minus 7 0, so it's divisible by 11. 6 plus 8 14, and 6 plus 6 12. 14 minus 12 2, so it's not divisible by 11. Then 6 plus 9 15 plus 1 16, and 3 plus 2 5. So 16 minus 5 is 11, so it's divisible by 11. So difference is not 0 and divisible by 11, so it's not same. 2 plus 5 7, and 8 plus 6 14. 7, it's not. 3 plus 6 9 minus 0 9, it's not. 4 plus 6 10 plus 3 13, and 9 plus 8 17. So 13 minus 17 5, so it's not. Thank you.